A couple of months ago, I got a pair of heated gloves from Wasato, and I just loved them. We've had several really cold days, and they've kept me warm without having to recharge yet. But I wanted to be prepared for longer trips. So today, I got a pack of extra batteries to keep my hands warm for twice the time. And they come shipped to your door with a pack of two 3000 mAh rechargeable batteries, one for each glove. They're 7.4 volts and give you plenty of extra power for your gloves. Now I can go out for the day, use my gloves until the battery dies, throw it on the charger, and swap to a new battery without ever losing warmth. This is going to be perfect for those trips to the ski slopes. So if you have a pair of heated gloves from Wasato and want some extra warmth too, these extra batteries might just be for you. And if you don't have heated gloves already, check out our video where we tested out our pair of heated gloves from Wasato. We just love them and can enjoy the winter without dealing with cold hands. So if you'd like to get either, the links will be in the description below. Till next time, I'm off to go on another cold and frosty hike. See ya!